Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Edge black screen. This issue is usually caused by browser glitches, hardware acceleration, or corrupted data. First, restart Microsoft Edge in your PC. Close all Microsoft Edge tabs, press the Windows key, click the power button, and choose Restart. Once your PC has restarted, open Microsoft Edge. Next, disable hardware acceleration. Click the three dots at the top right, go to Settings, then open the System and Performance tab. Under hardware acceleration, make sure Use graphics acceleration when available is turned off. Once you have done that, restart your browser and try again. Now, let's clear the browser cache. Press Ctrl-Shift-Delete on your keyboard, then select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Choose Clear Now. Once that is done, disable all extensions by going to the Extensions tab and turning off all available extensions. Restart Edge and check if the issue is resolved. Finally, repair Microsoft Edge. Go to the Windows search bar, search for Settings, open it, then go to Apps and Installed Apps. In the search bar, search for Edge and press Enter. Wait for the results to load. Click the three dots for Microsoft Edge, choose Modify, click Yes if prompted, and select Repair. That's it. We just learned how to fix Edge black screen issues by restarting the system, disabling hardware acceleration, clearing cache, disabling extensions, and repairing the browser. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.